The vehicle we tuned is a 2019 Audi A7 Sportback C8 equipped with a 210 kW 3-litre TDI engine. Other characteristics are all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission. On this vehicle, it is possible to achieve good results both in terms of power and torque by just modifying the file contained in the engine control unit, also known as the ECU. Based on the maximum power and the year of production, this 3-litre TDI engine model has multiple engine codes. In this case, it is identified by the code DDVB and respects the emission class Euro 60 Temp EVAP ISC. Many other VAG Group vehicles share the same engine model controlled by the Bosch MD1CP004 ECU, with the same or a different maximum power. So this practical example represents a good starting point for the tuning of the following vehicles, whose technical specifications are shown in the tables. With the same maximum power of 210 kilowatts, there are Audi A4 B9 8W, A5 F5, A6 C8 4K, A8 D5 4N, Q5 FY, Q7 4M, Q8 4M, and Touareg 3rd Generation CR. This ECU is equipped also on other vehicles with a variant of the same engine with a different maximum power. Among Audi models, there are A4 B9 8W, A5 F5, A6 C8 4K, A7 C8 4KA, Q5 FY, Q7 4M, Q8 4M, S4 B9 8W, S5 F5, S6 C8 4K, S7 C8 4KA, SQ5 FY, and Touareg 3rd Generation CR. The Volkswagen Group has provided the Audi A7 in question and the previously listed models with a Bosch MD1CP004 engine control unit. All these vehicles mount a 3-litre TDI engine, and based on the engine code, they respect either the Euro 60 Temp or the 60 Temp EVAP ISC emission class. The Bosch MD1CP004 specifications are an Infineon Oryx TC298 microcontroller, a VAG hardware number, and a Bosch hardware number. It is, however, possible to obtain the main recognition data of the control unit through the identification function present in K-Suite. In this vehicle, the engine control unit is positioned on the right part of the engine cover. The label is not visible, and the main connector, linked to the sensors and actuators, has a customized configuration consisting of 5 slots. The OBD2 socket, is located inside the cabin, under the steering wheel, next to the driver's left knee. This diagnostic socket, linked to a specific diagnostic tool, will be used to check that the vehicle does not show any malfunction, such as a DTC error, that can't be detected by a superficial analysis. It is strongly advised to act on the vehicle only if it is in perfect condition. Any unresolved problem can only worsen after the tuning process. In addition, the diagnostic socket will be useful to detect some engine data before proceeding with the tuning phase. The Bosch MD1CP004 engine control unit is programmable with KTAG. These tools allow to read and write the original file through specific protocols developed by Alientech technicians. With KTAG, connection to the control unit takes place through the ECU external connector using protocol 1441. To select the correct protocol, it is important to know the brand and model of the microcontroller. In this case, it's an Infineon Oryx TC298. KTAG allows the complete reading of the data contained in the ECU. The size of the original file contained in the ECU of the vehicle analyzed ranges from 0 to 800000 and contains the first part of the software, the second part of the software, the third part of the software, the fourth part of the software, the fifth part of the software, the sixth part of the software and part of the index, the seventh part of the software, the eighth part of the software and the last part of the index, the last part of the software, lastly, the maps.